Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 2A, St Andrews Road, Largoward. This is a beautifully presented, spacious, 3-bedroom, detached bungalow on a fantastic plot size with off-street parking. If you are looking for that semi-rural lifestyle, one-level living and a home that needs nothing done to it, while also being 6 miles from St Andrews, this could be the property for you and you do not want to miss out. I can't wait to show you this one. There is so much on offer, so come inside, let's start the tour. Keep listening until the end for location details and also how to get further details. So this is your property 2A. Now this is just a sneak peek of your outdoor garden space. I will show you after we've been inside, but where I'm standing you get a lovely countryside view. You can perhaps hear the birds in the background as well. It's just lovely. Yes, that's your double gates to bring you to your off-street parking. So this is a fully enclosed garden space, so ideal for a family home, fully detached property. But let's head inside and start the tour. So stepping into the property, you have this entrance vestibule, which is great as you've got storage in there for coats, shoes and boots. So really practical. And then we come into my absolutely favourite part of this property is you've got your open plan lounge leading in to your kitchen. And look at this for a feature. You've got your very own feature log burner. Isn't that just stunning? A real focal point of your home. And then you have this fantastic outlook straight across your garden, not overlooked as well, so you can really just sit here, unwind. Just an incredible space. So this is your lounge area. So ample room for all of your living furniture. What's great is you do have patio doors there, so perfect in the summer months or even on an evening. What's great is there is acoustic triple glazing with also secondary glazing as well. So they really have put a lot of thought into this property as well to make it a comfortable home. You've got solid wood flooring leading right through. You have the plug sockets in here that have the USB points as well. So they really have put a lot of attention to detail into this home. And then I love the fact that we then flow through into your breakfasting kitchen. And there is so much to talk you through in this space. It's just incredible. I love the fact that when you're in the living room, this is your backdrop. So it's almost like a drinks area. You've got the frosted glass with storage. You've obviously got a wine rack. And then actually behind it, you might be able to see, it's almost like an antique mirror, which is just, as I say, a beautiful backdrop. Likewise, when you are sitting, perhaps having your morning coffee or breakfast, this is your outlook right the way through. So within your kitchen, it's a recently renovated Wren kitchen. So it's quality, it's high standard. You've got integrated fridge, freezer. You've got quartz worktop, induction hob, and you've also got an extractor that is hand coordinated. You then have integrated washing machine, integrated dishwasher. You have your own cooker tap, so instant hot water, which is just an incredible addition. Something I've not seen before as well is your integrated hand soap just in there. So they really have thought of everything, finally, with your double oven. And even the storage within the cupboard space, they have a smart solution, so you pull them out. This one pulls down. So they really have done every little detail that they can think of. And then when you are in the kitchen, you have just an outlook over your landscaped garden. It's just stunning. It's a beautiful space. So hopefully already you're imagining in here family, friends, entertaining, socialising. It's just incredible. So then flowing through the rest of the home, we have the same quality hardwood flooring throughout. You've got quality solid wood doors as well. We then come to your 4-piece contemporary bathroom. Again, a lot to talk you through in this space. So you've got your heated towel rail. You've got a vanity unit. You've got your wash hand basin with further vanity space. You've got a family bath What I love is you have these integrated like alcoves, perfect for storage or even just little knickknacks. WC, and then behind me you have a large walk-in thermostatic shower with a rainfall head above as well. So it's almost spa-like. It is just amazing. You've got the downlighters within the ceiling. But again, they have thought of everything because you have your smart mirror with the light. So it's just a beautiful bathroom. Great as well because this is actually the floor to ceiling like wet wall. So it's really easy to clean, low maintenance. But isn't that just a beautiful bathroom? Then we come to your bedrooms. Fantastic size bedrooms. This is what would be your main bedroom. So that's a great big bed, and you still have plenty of floor space because you've got a little dressing table, and then even a little chaise. And then you have the practical use of integrated wardrobes, so double wardrobes. And it's great that they're mirrored because that natural light that floods in just bounces off and it makes this a really light and airy room. And what I love as well is the outlook that you have. So you've got a countryside view, which is just amazing. You can perhaps see another part of your garden there as well. We will get to that shortly. That was just a bit of a sneak peek. But look at that sun beaming in. You have storage just in the cupboard just here. We then have your second bedroom. Again, a great size when you consider just how big that bed is. And again, you have your double fitted wardrobes. So plenty of space with your bedrooms. And what's great is your third bedroom, again, is a really fantastic size. You have just a wee storage cupboard in there. But this is your third bedroom. What I like is the fact that it's not a box room. You would easily get a double in this space sofa bed. It really is a brilliant size. Likewise, if you need a home office study, this would be brilliant for that. But that is all of your home, and as you can see, it is beautifully presented. Not a thing that you need to do. And then just look at this. I am in awe of this because it is just stunning. And then you can just imagine sitting here perfectly with that outlook into your garden. And then obviously straight into your kitchen. Just incredible. So that's the inside. Let me take you on a full tour of the outside. So lots to talk you through with your outdoor garden space. So you can get down the side and go right round because it completely wraps around the garden. That's also bin access and storage round there. But this is all of your plot size. You've got so much outdoor space, which is brilliant. But what I actually love about all of this outdoor space is how low maintenance it is, which is just brilliant. So a reminder, this is your patio doors to the living room space. So open those up and you step down into this AstroTurf area. You've got a patio area just here, sitting perfectly in the sun. And then double gates, so you come right along here, off-street parking. They have done an additional single gate, so if you are just nipping in and out, perhaps with the dog or to go for a walk, you don't have to be opening both gates. But both gates are lockable as well, so just that little bit of peace of mind if you do have young children or pets. But this is your fantastic garden size. And what I love about the garden is the fact that it is low maintenance. So that means you can really just spend your time enjoying the view, enjoying the location, and just being with family and friends. You've got storage obviously for your logs. You've got plenty of space for outdoor storage, and it does actually go further back as well. So you have got a really fantastic plot size, low maintenance, fully enclosed, a completely detached property. So you've got all of this, but actually we can head along here and there is just a little bit more to show you, but it's a really private spot that is ideal. And you will see that in just a second. So they have it set up as a lounge area with some raised decking. You could perhaps even get a hot tub here. You could get a little bistro set. You could get a pergola set up. But this is another decked area. So you can just imagine in the summer months, sit here, quite the thing, nice and private. But while I'm here, I also wanted to show you that your property has solar panels as well, so efficient, which is brilliant. And then just a reminder that that's the access that takes you all the way around, so just storage and bins. But this is all of your plots and everything that you get. So let's do a recap. So that was a personal property tour for 2A, St Andrews Road, Largoward. If you are looking for that semi-rural lifestyle, then this is the property for you, and I do not want you to miss out on it because you have seen everything that is on offer. It's a 3-bedroom detached property, fantastic plot that's fully enclosed, really private, and then stepping inside you have seen the standard of this property. It's got incredible attention to detail, it's high standard, and you really can see the love and care that has gone into this property over the years. Not a thing that you need to do to it. Just move in and enjoy this 3-bedroom detached bungalow. Ideal if you are looking for a family home or even that one-level living. Don't forget you've got that log burner within the living room, which is a brilliant focal point. You've got the patio doors giving you the outlook over your landscape garden. You've got that contemporary high-standard kitchen with all of your integrated appliances. You've got that 4-piece modern bathroom, 3 great-sized bedrooms with ample storage. Stepping outside, you've got a low-maintenance landscape garden with your off-street parking. What more could you ask for while being in a fantastic location? So you're in that semi-rural lifestyle because you have a village location. Largoward has a village hall. It has the primary school. You've got beautiful walks from this location. You're just 6 miles to St Andrews, the home of golf, the university, cafes, bistros, restaurant, leisure facilities. Also catchment for Madras College for secondary schooling. Also just a short drive and you can be in the East Nook if you're looking for the 5 coastal path, beaches, harbour. Fantastic day out, and again, beautiful walks. Really practical as well because you can either head to Cupar or Leven, which are in close proximity if you are looking for a train station for commuting to Dundee, Edinburgh or beyond, or additionally to those locations for further amenities. So you're in a fantastic location that you can go in any direction to get to everything. If this is the home for you, you can either click the link in the details, message me directly, or call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties. Take care.